Supplier Unallocated Payments Report. From this report, you can view what are the transactions not allocated to an invoice. You can generate this report by selecting a date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date. You can select last month, last quarter, last year. By selecting custom date, you can select particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range supplier unallocated payment report. You can select particular supplier. You can select range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all suppliers. From supplier category, you can select particular supplier category. You can select range of supplier categories. If you don't select any supplier category, system will display all supplier categories. From status, you can select active, inactive or both suppliers. Include checkbox. If you check this include checkbox, system will include supplier returns and supplier adjustments. If you check use foreign currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. Hit view report. From this report, you can view transaction date, document number, reference number, description, payment, and unallocated amount. The main advantage of this report is you can check what are the unallocated payments and you can allocate those transactions to outstanding invoices. When you generate your supplier balances days outstanding report, sometimes there may be transactions plus amount and minus amount. That means sometimes those transactions not allocated. If you haven't allocated those transactions, when you generate supplier balances days outstanding report, system will display plus amount and minus amount in different lines. In this case, you cannot get accurate report from this outstanding report. Therefore, it's better you can allocate unallocated transactions. You can go to suppliers, transactions, allocate payments. You can select the supplier, refresh. Now in this system, you can see for this supplier, there are several unallocated transactions. So you can check from this report and you can view that supplier and you can allocate unallocated transactions. After allocate transactions, you can get this outstanding report in net amount. That means plus amounts and minus amounts will not display after allocate the transaction. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can print or email this report. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original document. In this report, supplier returns and adjustments included. If you uncheck include checkbox and refresh, system will display only unallocated payments. Furthermore, if you uncheck use foreign currency checkbox, system will display all transactions in home currency. Furthermore, system will display grand total of this transaction.